We've got 5 times 3 minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2 equals
13?
7. 7 minus 5 times 9 minus 3 divided by 3.
5.
7 times 4 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 7 equals
3.
Good job. All right, second person in each row. So Logan, Jana, Mackenzie, Noah, Jed. Ready? 9 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 3 times 4 equals.
30.
Who said 40?
No.
No, I said 40. Good. Noah. He's on here. There we go. 6 times 5 plus 2 divided by 4 minus 5 equals. I'll say it again. 6
3.
times 5, what'd you say?
3.
3. 3 is correct. Good job. All right, one more. 9 divided by 3 times 6 minus 3 plus 7 equals.
40. 30.
I'll say it again. 9 divided by 3. So how many times does 3 go into 9, basically? No. 9 divided by 3 times 6 minus 3 plus 7 equals.
22.
Yes. Oops. Okay, third person in each row. Here we go. 12 plus 6 divided by 3 times 2 minus 3 equals. I'll say it again. 12 plus 6.
3.
No. 12 plus 6 divided by 3 times 2 minus 3 equals 9. Okay, 17 minus 8.
9.
I'm not, well, I wasn't done yet. I was giving you time to think. 17 minus 8 divided by 3 times 4 plus 9 equals.
21. 21.
Yes, Lucy. Okay. 24 divided by 3. So in other words, how many times does 3 go into 24? Plus 2 minus 5 times 7 equals.
35.
Very good. Actually, Lucy, that's your 10. All right, and then the fourth person Nitro. Ready? 7 plus 5 divided by 3 times 6 minus 4 equals
21. 20.
is 20.
I said 21st.
Somebody said 21.
I said when you were saying 21. And then
Oh, you said 20. Okay. Alright. Okay, next one. 7 times 2 plus 4 equals.
18.
Ooh. I like the fast ones. 8 divided by 2 times 3 equals.
12.
My God. Alright, wow, you each got one. That was nice of you all to take turns. Okay, very good. Now, math today is something that we've already been doing, okay? Except it's just might be a little bit more. So, yesterday we talked about having zeros in our subtraction. So, don't open your book yet. Just listen. If I have 9,000 minus 5,651. Okay, so we're going to rename the zeros, which we did yesterday, except this time we have more zeros that we're going to rename. So, can we take 1 from 0?
No.
No. We can't borrow from this 0. We can't borrow from this 0 because you can't take anything from 0. So we have to borrow from our thousands place. Okay. So what are we gonna? What's our 9 gonna become?
8.
Right, because we're borrowing 1,000. Okay. Now 1,000 is the same as 10 hundreds. So we're gonna add a 10. Okay. That's a 9. Now we're gonna, wait a minute, you're getting ahead. Okay, so now we're gonna borrow from this 10 so that he becomes a 9, and now he's a 10 because we borrowed 100 from this guy, and 100 is the same as 10 tenths. So that's why we're doing this. Now, in order to help our ones place, we still need to borrow from our 10, and that becomes a 10 now. So what's 10 minus 1?
9.
9 minus 5.
4.
9 minus 6.
3.
8 minus 5. I beat ya.
3.
Okay, 3,349. Now, just be careful. Don't get confused. Don't get lost. Because you have to still pay attention, because some of you might end up crossing out 9s and putting 8s and all that kind of stuff. So you're basically borrowing, making everything a 10, and then it becomes a 9 when you have to borrow from it again. So open your math book to page 41. And we're going to do one of the problems, and then we need to go to PE. So let's just do one together. Okay, and then when we come back from PE, we'll finish it. So, question, Jacob? Okay. When you go like this, it makes me think you have an emergency question. Alright, so for number 1, we have 400 minus 287. So, Jacob, can you talk me through this?
Cross out the 4, make it a 3. Give that 1 to the 10, cross that out, make it a 9. And give that to the 1.
Okay.
10 minus 7 equals 2. And 9 minus 8 equals 1. And 3 minus 2.
Very good. Okay, keep that thought in your head. You can leave your book open on your desk. Line up, showing me how you remember to line up.